Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video we will know about some basic Linux commands. Sorry for some delays in the channel. I had some work, so without wasting any time, let's start. In my case I am using Ubuntu, and here you can see this ASH stands for the username you are logged in, and then it's Ubuntu, which says the machine name. In my case, let's start by knowing the current directory we are in. So let me type pwd, then hit enter. So here you can see it's showing you /home/ash. So this is our current working directory. So to know what files or what components are in this current directory, we would press ls. So here you can see there are tons of folders available: desktop, downloads, music, public, templates, documents, lscript, pictures, snap, videos. So now if, for example, here you can see this is the desktop and there is no file available, and we want to go to the desktop. So we would type cd and desktop. Always keep in mind that these Linux commands are case sensitive. So in my case, let me go back to the home directory again. So here you can see we are in the home directory, and if I type, see, it's showing no such file or directory exists. So always keep in mind that this Linux command or Linux terminal is case sensitive, and you should know this. So let's go back to the desktop. So here you can see there's no such file available on the desktop. Here you can see, here you can see there is no such file. This is that won't be a important one. So now go back to the terminal and type la. Now what it will give is, here you can see it's giving you the list. So here this tells about the single dot, tells you about your current directory, and this double dot. So if I write cd double dot and press enter, what it does is it takes me to the directory present above it. So here you can see the let me type ls. Here you can see this is the home directory, and under home directory there are subfolders. For example, here it is desktop, downloads, and that's the version. So if for example I go to downloads and type ls, here you can see there is no nothing available in the downloads folder, so it isn't showing anything. And if I type cd, see, it has taken me to the above directory, that is the root folder. So let's go to the desktop and learn about some of the commands. So till now we have learned about two commands, pwd and ls. Pwd stands for print working directory, and ls stands for list. So now let me clear the terminal. So now let's make a text file using the terminal. So here we are in the desktop, and you can see there is no file available in the desktop. And for example, I want to make a file, for example, log.txt. So I will type touch log.txt. So here you can see it has made a file by the name of log.txt. Let me open it. Here you can see there is nothing available in this file, so it isn't showing me anything. Now in case I want to delete this file, I will write rm. So let's first take a look at the ls command. So now we are at the desktop, and if we type ls, then you can see that it's showing a log.txt. Now if I want to remove this file, that is r, and then I will type rm log.txt. so here you can see that now there is no such file available on the desktop, and again if I type ls, so here you can see there is no such file available. Now like in Python you might have seen there is a command called print. So in case of Python, if you write anything, for example print front bracket and then double colon, and you write hello world, so it will give the output as hello world. So for example, in case of Linux terminal, if you type echo hello Linux and hit enter, it would show you Linux, hello Linux. So it acts as a print command. So for example, let me clear it. Now for example, I want to store a result. If I type echo and hello world, for example, I want to save this output that will come after I write echo hello world. As you know, by the command the output would be hello world. But if I want to save this output in a text file or any other file, then I will type, and now you type the file name in which you want to save your result. For example, I will type result.txt. Here you can see the output is in this file. See hello world. Now let me result.txt. See, the output of this text file is hello world. So now you can see I have applied another command, cat result.txt. So using this command you can read what's present inside a text file. So for example, now I want to remove this result.txt file, rm result.txt. It's gone. Now let's make a file. Now what can we do is we can make a directory, or in simple words we can make a folder. So for that I will type mkdir and let me type print. So here you can see a folder has been created by the name of print. It's empty because there is no such file available in this folder. And if I want to remove this folder, then I would type rmdir print. See, the folder is gone. And now let's make a folder by the name of result mkdir. No, let me type KillSwitch. So here you can see in this case it has created two folders, one by the name of kill and other by the name of switch. So let me type ls. So see, it is showing two folders, one is kill and one is switch. If I want to remove the folder, I can type rm dir kill switch. So both the folders are removed. Now let me make a folder by the name of mkdir kill switch. So see, there should not be any gap. So here you can see there is a gap between the two. There shouldn't be this gap. So that's all. Now also there is one more command which I want to tell you. This command is to identify which user you are. For example, in my case, I am Ash, but I if I am working on any client server and I want to know about what file I am in, or what directory or what root privileges do I have, so I would type who am I. So that's all for this video. Practice this Linux commands and we will meet in the next video. Till then, keep watching, keep sharing, keep supporting. Thank you. Peace out.